Hi everybody, Ron, Four Seasons Barbecue, making me a breakfast for work tomorrow morning. Using my Hungry Man's, some bacon, 3 eggs, and one of my subscribers recommended that I put dried minced onions in the hash browns. They said it's going to be very tasty, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to go get these hash browns rehydrated. I'll be right back. Alright, take your bacon, roll it up like this, and it will separate real easy for you. Alright, got our bacon laid down. Figures I start making a video, neighbor come out and want to start sawing something. Anyway, the breakfast I'm making, I already got that was a tablespoon of dried onions I put in those hash browns. I'm just going to do some scrambled eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Take to work in the morning. This is a little short breakfast video. Had some idiot on my last breakfast video say that I used too much butter and my hash browns were soggy. Well, those hash browns were crispy as all get out. And apparently he doesn't know that butter and patience are how you get crispy hash browns. But just a moron trying to get under somebody's skin. Everybody knows butter and hash browns go good together. Lots of butter. Alright, bring you guys back here in a little bit. Alright, we'll get our bacon pushed over here. Got our eggs going. I'm just going to scramble the eggs, make it easy to heat up tomorrow. And then before I put the hash browns down, we'll crank this baby up. Too bad I'm scrambling these. I'm doing pretty good with the one-handed rake. Well, that one might not come out too good. Better get that yolk out of there, or that shell. Don't need that kind of texture in there. Gonna go with a Montreal steak. Don't want to go too heavy on the eggs because that stuff will get powerful quick. Oh, those cooked quick. Let me get my bowl. Think that's a good bacon to egg ratio? I do. Be right back with the hash browns. Here you go, Mr. Too Much Butter. You do your hash browns your way, I'll do mine. And these will be crispy. All right. Now these hash browns have a tablespoon of minced onion in them. I can smell those onions as soon as it hits the griddle. You don't want to lose none of that butter. Hate to not have enough butter. All right. Get these all seasoned up. There we go. I'll bring y'all back when I'm ready to turn them over. Here you go, Fred. A little surprise for you. All right, let's give these a look. Get nice and crispy. All right, bring you guys back here in a little bit. When I get ready, plate it up. Been wanting to get one of those with the American flag on the tail for a while, and finally got one. All right, Blackstone is off. Gas is off. Get our hash browns in here. Our super crispy hash browns. And we'll throw a bunch of bacon on there too. That will be my breakfast tomorrow at work. Anyway, if you like what I do, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next video. This is Ron, 4 Season Barbecue, and I'm out.